Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to add your college on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Step 3. Scroll down and locate the option Edit Public Details. Step 4. Next to the Details section, tap on Edit. Step 5. Look for the option to Add College and tap on it. Step 6. Enter the name of your college and then tap on Save at the bottom of the screen to confirm the changes. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily update your Facebook profile with your college information, allowing you to connect with others from your alma mater. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add your college on Facebook. Follow these steps to enhance your profile and share your educational background with your Facebook friends and connections.